What's up guys, this is Tech, and in this video I'll show you how you can earn $2 per day. So first of all, you have to click in the description box and use this link to sign up on the what.ojoo.com. So this is the PTC site, and you can use on your desktop and you can also use it from your phone. This site support both interface. So put your username, emails and your page account or PayPal, and you can use my referral here. Complete this captcha and register on this site. So after registration you can view ads here, but there is some ads you can't view from your browser or your desktop. So you have to download an app like this kind of ads. It's a mobile ad, so you have to download Ojoo App from Play Store. So after download this app, you have to create an account in it with your mobile number. So after creating an account on it, you have to click Ojoo Tools and then click advertisements. Now you can view all the ads from here. You don't have to go to your browser or desktop to view ads. You can view all ads here from here. If you want to make $2 per day, you have to rent referral from this site, and you can also make direct referral. Look, I have rented 5 referral and I have also 2 direct referral. So you can make $2 per day easily if you make more referrals. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do share and subscribe our channel.